Alright, this is going to be the other elevator at JCPenney, former Westminster Mall, Westminster, Colorado. We've got another Westinghouse. Westinghouse interlock. This one's got a missing ceiling tile. Emergency light is on this one as well. Certificate. There's your phone. Red indicator. Smells like hydraulic fluid in this one. Take it up to 2. Unfortunately, this one has a fan, so I don't know if we're gonna be able to hear the motor. Westinghouse interlock. 3,500 pound capacity. It's a pretty nice elevator. It's cool that it's still original. But yeah, you couldn't hear the motor. Some lead down here. Here's your call button. Oh, this one's still got the arrow on it. Alright, and there it goes. And that'll be it. Or actually, that might be the machine room. Let's see. Set it up. See if that's the machine room. There it goes.